I'm here with the Pine River Superfund Citizen Task Force leadership, Brittany Fremion and Keon-Jelenek. And they have been working on this project for a long time with this community and working with our community advisory group for the last 25 years as we are working to clean up this site. I wanted to get your perspective from all the work that's been going on. How has this impacted community?
You know, getting the bipartisan money that came for infrastructure has really given me personal hope that I will live long enough to see this project finished, because I've been involved since the start and we're in year 26 now.
Yeah.
And it will be wonderful if we can actually finish the cleanup with the money that comes.
Excellent. Brittany, what is your perspective?
Yes, so as Jane mentioned, she's a founding member of our community advisory group, and she represents a generation of elders. I am a newcomer and younger generation, but I think we seek to recruit more younger members to continue these efforts in the partnership working with EPA to clean up this site in the middle of Michigan.
Amazing. Any other thoughts you wanted to share with folks about how this has impacted community?
I think the wider community has been impacted because the reputation of St. Louis has come back. It was known in the 1800s as a place of healing waters. We had the magnetic mineral springs. And then after the chemical company dumped all their waste in the river and on the land, it became a place to avoid. And it really hurt the reputation of this town. But in our cleanup efforts, we're helping to bring back a good reputation for this town too.
Excellent. Thank you all for what you do, and we really appreciate you coming out today.